Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Unwind and Connect. If you are new here, thank you for joining in. My name is Nidhi and this is my video podcasting channel Unwind and Connect, where we talk about topics such as law of attraction, motivation, manifestations, businesses and much more. So, if you are new here, thank you for joining in and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the topic which is very much debated in today's world. The topic for today is gender equality and what is feminism. So, let's get started. We all see that men and women are constantly debating about who is superior and who is inferior and who is not appreciated much in the society. Day before yesterday, it was International Men's Day and we came across many thoughts and quotes where men were saying that they are not appreciated enough and they are not respected enough. Any gender feels that they are not appreciated or respected much when the other one acts like they are superior in nature. But we all are human beings and everybody deserves to be treated well. According to me, the fight for the gender equality will end when we all will follow humanity, when we will all see each other as humans and not as particular genders. The problem of gender inequality arises where one of the genders feel that they are superior and the other one is inferior. But the day when we feel that both are equal in nature is the day when all the problem will be solved. We often come across the topic that this is a male-dominated society and everything works according to the males. But it is not true. Back in the times when people used to follow old cultures and traditions, men were known as the head of the family because they used to go out and earn for them. But now the time has changed. Even women go out and earn for their family and have succeeded well in their careers. So when all of this has changed, why is there no equality between both the genders? I am sure that both of the genders do their part of things equally in their life. So they should also be respected equally. According to me, the problem of the world is that we are very economically driven. We judge people based on their economy. We think that if a person is rich, he has everything in his life. We do not judge a person based on his culture, based on his habit, the values he follows, or just how kind he is towards people. We judge him according to how much property he owns or how much money he has. The situation was same back in the old days also. People were economically driven. Men were known to be the earning people of the family, and that's why this male domination comes from. The families or the society used to feel that the people who earn are the head of the family and they should be respected well. And that's why this male domination was started. People used to feel that if the person is earning for the family, all the respect should be given to him because he is working hard. But if you think of a woman, she is also working very hard, taking care of her family, cooking for them and doing all the household chores. Now, in this era, the times have already changed. Women and men are equal and they work together. Men and women work equally in all the career fields. The problem of inequality will end when we all will think that we all are humans and there is no difference between both of us. Let's talk about the next topic, which is feminism. Nowadays, this word is very common and whenever a woman stands up for herself, she is known to be a feminist. But the actual meaning of feminism is when a woman stands for equal rights in the society. Yes, I understand that nowadays there are many people who misuse the word of feminism and they want undue advantage of it. But it is not true about every woman. Women, in short, need appreciation and respect and nothing else. They do not need any undue advantages. I believe that women should not be given any advantage which will make the males feel inferior to them. Both of the genders are equal and women do not need any kind of special reservations. The only reservations that should be done for women should be regarding their safeties because that is the most important things. In this situation and in today's time, women are not safe. So, if anybody wants to give women an advantage, it should be given for their safeties and not for giving them an undue advantage. Men and women are only different biologically. There is no other difference other than that. So we should always treat each other equally. Whenever we are going to do any work or anything, we should not think that this is a girl and she should be given an advantage, or this is a man and he should be given an advantage, or he should be respected more. Every human being which exists on this earth should be respected equally, because each one of us deserves it. It is not about who is working hard and who is not working. Everybody in this society is giving their best to live their lives. So whenever we come across people who say that he is not appreciated much or he is not respected much, we should try to make them feel that no, everybody is equal and everybody is respected well. The main problem, according to me, about the gender inequality starts in the family itself. When the children of the house see that the men and women are treated unequally, automatically these thoughts and values get inculcated in their minds and they take that forward. They feel that it is not followed in our family, so why should we follow it outside? So whenever we are talking to our children, we should always say that there is no difference between a man and a woman and both can do things equally. Yes, there are always physiological differences between men and women, but that does not mean any one of them is inferior or superior. I have seen many women around me who take undue advantage of the word woman. They feel that all the advantages should be given to them. But it is not right. Every gender needs to be respected well. Every gender should be considered as a human being. This world will be a better place when we do not differentiate people based on their genders, but we see them according to the values they have. We should always follow the value of humanity and not of inequality. Talking about men and women, I saw that men say they are not appreciated much and they are blamed for everything in this world. And when we talk about women, they also say the same, that they are not appreciated well and they can do anything in this world, but they are not given that authority. They are told that they cannot do it well, just because they feel that male can do it better. Yes, in some fields of the world, male can do some things better, but in some fields, women can do better. It does not mean any of them is inferior or superior. I have seen many women around me who say that मैं लड़की हूँ, मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ and मुझे ये एडवांटेज मिलना चाहिए क्योंकि मैं लड़की हूँ, ये रिजर्वेशन मेरे लिए है क्योंकि मैं लड़की हूँ. But they don't understand that not every man on this earth is the same. Yes, some may be different from others, but it does not mean that all the men are same. Men are also told many things in this world. They are said that they cannot cry because crying is only a girl's thing. They are also said that you are a mama's boy because your mom loves you a lot, and they are told that they should earn well because then they can marry a good girl, or otherwise girls won't get married to them because they cannot handle the family well, and many more things. But all of these things are unfair. All of the things which I said earlier can be done by both the genders. It is not necessary that only a man earns for the family and the woman should cook for the family. Both the roles can be interchanged. Many a times I have seen men say that खाना बनाना सिर्फ औरतों का काम होता है, हम खाना नहीं बनाएंगे, या many more things like that. But it is not true. When we observe that all the top chefs in the restaurants are always male, so when we think about it, don't we understand that even men can cook well and even women can do the same things well? There are many companies where the top CEOs or the directors are women. So there should not be any differentiation between women and men because all the things can be done equally. Yes, if you tell a woman to pick up something which is really very heavy, it is not possible for her because of the physiological differences. She may be weak or her body may not be supporting that. And one more thing is that men are physically stronger than women. That does not mean that they are superior to them. Men are superior to them only in the basis of physical strength, and this is not always true in every sense also, because we have seen women in wrestling, we have seen women in boxing also. Some women can do these things while some cannot. So this should not be a parameter of judging any woman that she is weak and she cannot do something in this world. I think it is time that we should all follow the value of humanity and we should stop this debate of fighting for gender equality, because if we give proper attention, both the genders are equal in nature. Both can perform all the duties perfectly. There are no particular duties assigned to a particular gender. It is not written that only females can cook or females can take care of their families and only men should go out and earn. I have seen families where men sit at home and they cook for the family while the woman is going out and earning. There is nothing wrong about it, and we should all accept that if every human being on this earth should be treated well and should be respected and is capable of doing everything in life. If you respect women and if you respect a man, it will not make you any less and it will not make you feel any less from anybody in this world. The world will be a better place when each and every one of us is treated equally and respected equally, because at the end of the day each human being needs one thing, which is respect. And when they don't get it, debates like this start between both the genders and they create differences. We do not want differences because men and women need each other equally. According to me, apart from giving birth and nursing a child, there is nothing that a woman can't do. A woman can do everything, and the same is with men. They cannot give birth to a child, that is true, but all other work except these two can be done by both of them. The time when we accept this will be the time where everybody will be treated and respected equally. There are many women who say that they do not need a man in life. That is their personal choice, but according to me, both of them are equal. Every woman needs a man as much as a man needs a woman. And this is the law of nature. Everything should be 50-50. So, when there should be one woman for every man, why shouldn't the respect be equal in both of them? Why should a woman be treated low and a man superior, or vice versa? Let's create a world where both of them are treated equally and both of them are respected well. A place where only humanity exists and where everybody is happy. We want a world which is free from these debates and fights and inequalities, and we should focus more on spreading kindness and humanity in this world, because the world needs more positivity rather than all these negative things. I know saying all these things and implementing those in our life takes time, but when each one of us will do a little bit, it will contribute to a very big difference in everybody's life. So we can start bit by bit, and later someday there will be a time where everybody is living peacefully and happily. This topic is a very vast topic and there are many more things that can be said and debated upon, and I'll surely come with a part 2 for this topic. But for today, this is it. I hope you liked my topic and I will come with more content related to this topic. Today was just the introduction on gender inequality and what is feminism, and we will go deeper into it in the upcoming episodes. Please let me know how did you like my episode in the comment section below. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Unwind and Connect, and I will be back with a new episode in the next one. Until then, please do not forget to respect everybody. Please do not forget to be kind and humble to everyone around you, and please take good care of yourselves and keep smiling always. Please do not miss the upcoming episodes where I will be inviting guests to our channel for some interesting content and topics. So until then, please take care and goodbye.